Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change an engine air filter on your Jeep Cherokee. It's actually pretty simple and you'll save yourself a lot of money by doing it yourself because the dealership will charge you like 60 bucks to do it. So go on Amazon and get this exact air filter. There's the part number. Grab yourself a flathead and a Philips because these screws have both and some are tight. And that's where you'll want to use a flathead screwdriver to get more leverage on these screws. So you don't actually have to remove them. You can see they're just poking out. I've unscrewed them all. And the air box just lifts up like this. Your air filter's inside there. You want to go in here and grab the air filter. Just grab a lip of it. Pull it out. You can also disconnect that hose here, which will make your life easier. Just make sure you reconnect that. Look how dirty that is. Grab your new air filter, drop this in. Shouldn't have to force it in, it should just lay flat. And then you can reconnect everything. Put this tube back on. There you go, and then screw everything back together. And that's it, you're done. You just saved yourself 50 bucks.